Let's fix if your left or right AirPod is not charging. Now, if you have your AirPods here and you find that one of them, either the left or right AirPod, is not charging, it never gets to 100%. I'm going to walk you through some steps to get that fixed. The very first thing that we'll do is in our AirPods themselves, we'll pull them out of the case and get a Q-tip to make sure that you clean this base right around here. So if you look at the bottom of the AirPod case, you can see a little brass strip. There are two different brass strips here, and those connect to this metal ring around the base of your AirPods. So make sure both of those are nice and clean. Get a Q-tip, get something to clean both your left and your right one off. Make sure that that can connect to there, because that is how your case will charge your specific AirPods. So if one of them is all gunked up, then it could be causing it to not be able to charge. Now, once you've done that, the next step that we'll do is get into our iPhone here, and we will tap on our AirPods here, and we'll scroll down, and you can see optimize battery charging. It says it will reduce battery life or battery aging by only charging up to 80%. So if you don't necessarily want that, or it's causing issues with your left or right, you can always turn that off, and you can hit turn off completely to completely turn off that optimized battery charging. Now, the last thing that you can do is scroll to the bottom here and just tap forget this device at the very bottom, and then tap forget this device. That will remove your AirPods and then resync them up to your specific phone itself. And that helps to reset the connection and reset the battery charging on your AirPods. After that's done, just plug them in, say overnight, and you should get both the left and right to be charging fully. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.